Yes, people, it's been a while since I've made a video, but we are back. And in this one, I'm going to see if it's possible to make a drum and bass tune in 10 minutes. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. So first things first, we need to set the BPM to 175, and we need some drums, a kick. 10 minutes isn't really much time, as I'm sure you know. So essentially, I can't get too bogged down in things. So that's a kick, and we need a snare. Yeah, I apologise for my lack of being here, I guess. I've been pretty busy. I've been working on a lot of music, which has taken up time of videos because I work full time. Now we need some hats. And I am really excited to show some of it. I am going to be getting a 100% production mix part 2 out soon. It's been a while since I've done one. I think the last one I did was in 2021, which is just bad that I've not done one since. Just quick build up drums now. So yeah, and just generally life got in the way. I mean, the last video I uploaded I think was September, which is quite bad because I was doing like one a week. But yeah, life just gets in the way. Quarter end, I'm sure some of you know what that means. And since then, I was like, oh, you know what? I want to work on some tunes. So here we are. And that is why I have been pretty vacant. That kick is far too loud compared to the rest of that. Could be better, could be worse. So that is pretty much our drums done. Oh, it took 2 minutes. So yeah, okay. As you can see, I'm using parts that have already been used before, all pretty much pre-made. And that just basically allows me to get the tune done quicker. So I am literally just, at this point, following everything that, like you can see there's little cuts in the hats and stuff. I am just following all of those exact cuts. Oh, we're on 7.5 minutes, so these are our drums. So now we need a bass line. Maybe I should tease some of the stuff I've been working on, because I have been using this Osiris synth quite a lot. Let's go for this. I can't do with these delays though. But yeah, I apologise to all of those who wanted more videos. Yeah, just life gets in the way. I've been doing a lot of one-to-ones as well. If you want a one-to-one, please do shout me. We can go from there. And when you're doing a one-to-one, they take up time as well. Nah, that's not what I want. Let's go with this one because I don't think I would use this in a tune. God, we're down to 6.5 minutes. Right, let's just make it quick. That needs to be way louder, doesn't it? Where's the capitator? Turn that off. What? What? We got the Osiris Womp. Yeah. So I'm going to try and bring it back to doing a video a week. It might be short videos like this, as you can see. This is quite a short video, so we'll see. Because I was doing really well, I think, with the video side of things. Like, I was being consistent enough, and then I just needed some time off. That'll do. Pretty boring and basic. Oh, we've only got 4 minutes 46 seconds left. Right. Right, sub. Flux. Jesus. Oh my god, I can't believe why did I say 10 minutes? I should have been a lot less stupid. Knob. It's pretty bad, but we got to roll with it. I hate that little thing at the end. Right. Quick variation. Quick, come on, we can do this. We can get something going. Oh no. This is not what I wanted to happen. That'll work, that'll do. God, I don't need to know this, just... Two minutes 28. Right, let's get some effects going, some really, really basic quick effect type things. Yep, just using the effects from old tunes. This one's in 174 though, I believe. God, this is not good. Right, vocal. Do I have any? Yeah. This will do. God, why do I do this to myself? I probably feel the pressure.
I want to know what you...
Oh God, 1 minute 19. Fiddlesticks.
I want to know what you found.
Oh no, it's not. This is a disaster. Reverb kick.
I want to know what you found before I kill you.
What do we do? Do we do an intro? I am just gonna have to reuse other stuff, aren't I? That'll do. Thank God I've got some of my old bits from tunes are just chilling. Might have even used this before.
I want to know what you
Oh,
found.
we've got 7,
before I
6,
kill you.
5, 4. No, 5, 4. Stop. Right, I don't think this is going to be any good. It's a drum and bass tune made in 10 minutes with no direction, no plan, no nothing. 14 channels? I can't even give it a little quick master because that would be going against the rules, wouldn't it? Oh well. Here's a drum and bass tune made in 10 minutes. It's obviously slightly jump up because I'm a jump up producer, but here's what can be made in 10 minutes, I guess.
I want to know what you found before I kill you. Your life just got shorter. You're out.
I think this is probably the most honest 10-minute tune challenge you'll find on YouTube. I say this because obviously I've seen it before, you know, all these 10-minute tune challenges. I can't remember, who was the company Vice owned? Oh, well, I don't know, but they used to do them a lot, and some of the tunes were wicked, but I feel like they had a bit more preparation. This is very much me raw dogging it and hoping for the best. Let me know what you think of the tune, because it's very much incomplete. I think some of the sounds are cool. Like, I didn't expect to make that sound there, and I feel like that could have some use in a tune, but yeah, we'll have to wait another day for that. But if you've made it this far into the video, massive thank you for watching. As I say, haven't been as consistent with YouTube as I'd like to be. This is hopefully going to be the start of me being a bit more consistent. There's going to be my production mix, 100% production mix, volume 2 will be out at some point. I'm going to try start using my social media a bit more. I mean, if you haven't already, please do consider following me on Insta and subscribing on here, of course, because it does help me out, and it does let me know that even though I can take a massive gap, there is still an interest in the content. But yeah, I'm ranting and raving now and waffling on, so massive thank you again once for watching. Please do consider liking, commenting, subscribing, all the generic YouTube stuff, and until next time, I'll see you later.